Let's start by solving 2 plus 3, that means 5. Now 2 square, that is 4, into 5. This becomes 40 divided by 20, that means your answer is 2. But this is not the correct solution. Let's see correct usage of PEMDAS or BODMAS method. Both PEMDAS and BODMAS method are same, but different names are used in different countries. So let's see both the formulas. We need to first start with parenthesis or bracket, in this case 2 plus 3, which comes 5. So 40 divided by 2 square, 5. Next we go for exponential or order. So we'll solve 2 square, that is 4. Now multiplication and division are of same order in both the cases. Just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are of same priority. Solve it from left to right. This 4 and 5 is nothing but 4 multiplied by 5. With both division and multiplication, start from left to right. First solve 40 divided by 4, that is 10, multiplied by 5. That means your correct solution will be 50.